Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for some real, effective, and actually helpful beauty tips to feel more confident, glowy, and just beautiful, you're totally in the right place. We'll cover skincare, hair care, face hacks, glow-up tips, and more, all explained with why they work, so you're not just following steps, but actually understanding them. Let's glow up the smart way. All right, let's start with the base of beauty, your skin. 1. Double cleanse at night. Cleansing once removes makeup and surface dirt. Cleansing twice, first with a cleansing balm or micellar water, then with a gentle foaming cleanser, ensures you're cleaning deep within pores. This prevents breakouts, dullness, and clogged pores, especially important if you're wearing SPF, makeup, or even if you've been outside all day. 2. Don't skip moisturizer, even if you're oily. Look for a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer if you're acne-prone or oily. When you skip moisturizer, your skin actually produces more oil to compensate, which can lead to more breakouts and shiny skin. 3. Face steaming, once a week. Steam your face using a bowl of hot water and a towel over your head for 5 to 7 minutes. It opens pores, loosens dirt and blackheads, and improves blood circulation. After steaming, apply a clay mask or do gentle exfoliation. Your skin will absorb products better. I've done this before applying masks, and it seriously made them work so much better. Like my pores looked clearer, and my skin was less congested. 4. Weekly honey mask. Mix raw honey plus a drop of tea tree oil and leave it on for 15 minutes. Honey is antibacterial and soothing, great for acne, redness, and dull skin. It also gives a natural glow without making your skin oily. 5. Hydration is key. Drink water, yes, but also use hydrating products like hyaluronic acid or glycerin-based toners. Hydrated skin looks plumper, more radiant, and is less likely to break out or look tired. 6. Ice rolling or cold spoon. Gently rub a cold spoon or face roller under your eyes and along your jawline in the morning. This depuffs your face, tightens pores, and wakes up tired skin. It also improves lymphatic drainage. 7. Clean plus exfoliate nose area. Use a gentle BHA, like salicylic acid, or a baking soda paste once a week around the nose and chin area. This clears out blackheads and prevents buildup. Focus on the crease of the nose because that's where oil and bacteria love to sit. 8. Lip care routine. Exfoliate lips using sugar plus honey scrub once or twice a week. Follow with a hydrating lip balm. Look for ingredients like shea butter or lanolin. Smooth lips make your whole face look fresher. Plus, lip balm under a lip tint equals the cutest soft glam look. 9. Eyebrow grooming. Lightly brush your brows upward with a spoolie and use a bit of clear mascara or brow gel to set them. Defined brows naturally frame your face and make your eyes pop. No heavy makeup needed. 10. Oil your scalp, not just the ends. Use lightweight oils like rosemary or jojoba 1 to 2 times a week and massage gently for 5 minutes. Scalp massages increase blood flow, which promotes stronger and faster hair growth. I've seen baby hairs start growing after doing this consistently for a month. 11th. Air dry with a microfiber towel. Instead of rubbing your hair with a rough towel, pat it dry with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. Less friction equals less frizz and breakage. This one tip alone can make your hair look smoother and healthier. 12th. Use a leave-in conditioner. Right after washing, apply a leave-in conditioner or serum on damp hair, especially at the ends. This protects your hair from damage, reduces tangles, and keeps it looking shiny. 13. Wide tooth comb only. Always detangle from ends to roots using a wide tooth comb. This minimizes breakage and makes your hair stronger over time. Never brush wet hair with a regular brush. It's when it's weakest. 14. Sleep on a satin pillowcase. Less friction on your skin and hair, which means fewer breakouts, less frizz, and reduced hair fall. 15. Wear SPF daily, even indoors. Choose a lightweight SPF 30 or higher. UV rays can penetrate through windows and cause dark spots and premature aging. Trust me, the girls who wear sunscreen now will thank themselves later. 16. Eat for your skin. Add antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, leafy greens, and yogurt to your diet. What you eat directly shows on your skin. Clearer skin starts from within. Processed sugar can trigger breakouts, so be mindful of that too. 17. Keep your hands plus. Phone. Clean. You touch your face more than you think. Clean hands and phone screens equals fewer surprise pimples. Remember, looking beautiful is about feeling confident and taking care of yourself. And these small daily habits really add up. Even adding just 3 or 4 of these tips to your routine can make a big difference over time. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your besties. See you in the next one. Bye!